inyong suporta. We feel it. Thank you very much. Now to everyone watching, please don't forget to use our official hashtag. Lagi niyo po yan gamitin sa ating mga posts. That is hashtag StarMagicSpotlight. And also, sa mga nanonood sa ating live stream, yes, we are live. So we can read your comments later on. So wag po kayong mahiya. Kung meron kayong questions for our Star Magic artists, kung meron kayong messages for them, drop your messages and comments below and we will try to read them later on. Alright. So, for our first Star Magic artist for today, kilalanin na natin siya. He's one of our country's renowned musical powerhouses. And just last year, he held his birthday concert, Welcome to My World, at the Music Museum. At magkakaroon siya muli ng concert titled Superhero. So, sino kaya siya? Before we catch up with him, let's know more about his birthday concert later on. Pero sa ngayon, may hinandaan mo na kaming surprise. Let's watch this.
Jed Madela, acclaimed as the voice and the singer, stands as one of the Philippines' premier male singers. Celebrated not only for his vocal prowess, but also for his versatility as a singer and songwriter. He has undeniably made his mark in the industry, achieving numerous milestones throughout his career. He became the first Filipino honored in the Los Angeles Fest and the Macaupa Performing Arts Hall of Fame. Apart from that, many also know him as a vocal mentor and judge in Your Face Sounds Familiar, and as a power ng Panghalan Jurado. Jed has plenty in store for everyone to look forward to this year. On July 13, he is set to appear at the Birmingham Barrio Fiesta at the Woodgate Valley Country Park. On August 23, he will perform at Bravo Manila, a concert showcasing Filipino musical excellence at the Theater at Soler, alongside Queen Escalante and Sofronio Vasquez. And that's not all. A new album under Star Music is also in the works. Before all these, Jed Madela will once again showcase his musical talent in a birthday concert titled Superhero, celebrating his milestones and successes on July 5 at the Music Museum. From a musical powerhouse like Jed Madela, powerful music and performances are always to be expected. He remains one of the country's most genuine and unmatched talents, a true icon who continues to inspire generations of artists and fans alike.
Let's all welcome to Star Magic Spotlight Press Con, Jed Madela! Hi, Jed! Okay, kumustahin ka muna namin. Anong feelings mo after mo panood yung video na yon? There were so many clips throughout your career.
Oo, in such a short clip, in such short video, parang nag-flashback lahat ng mga, alam mo yung pinagdaanan ko in the past years na, it's been a roller coaster ride, but ang saya, and what's more important sa akin ngayon is how malaki pala ng impact ko sa mga tao, lalo na sa mga bagong artists ngayon. It's one thing that I really want to pay forward. Kumbaga, watching the video, it reminds me na, Jed, you're on the right track. Parang ganun.
Totoo yun. Not everyone can last this long in the industry and have this impact on younger artists. Kasi marami naman pwedeng lumaki, mag-viral bigla.
Yes.
But to stay this long and have the respect of your peers and the younger generation, that's a different thing. And it's really great that you're trying to pay it forward, as you said.
It becomes more, kumbaga mas may meaning.
Yes.
May meaning yung existence mo sa industriya to, not just because you just perform and you entertain. It's more of being an inspiration and being a medium to encourage the young ones to go for their dream. Kasi hindi naman ako when I started, I just wanted to sing. I just wanted to show everyone na kaya kong kumanta, tsaka passion ko talaga. But when you grow older in the industry, it becomes more deeper, it becomes more, you find more meaning. Hindi hindi lang yung pagkanta, pakitang gilas na magaling ako, hindi. It's more of, it's more than that. Yeah.
Meron ka ba natatandaan? Ngayon yung pinag-uusapan natin yan na you're able to touch the lives of many people na hindi mo inaakala. Anything that parang stands out for you na memory, na nagulat ka na, ay, ganun pala yung impact ko, wala akong kaalam-alam.
I think it would be my trips abroad for DFC. Walang particular moment, pero it's always those moments na may nag-a-approach sa akin at nagpapasalamat. Na, Jed, thank you for your music, thank you for your voice, thank you for inspiring me, thank you for giving me purpose to live. Yun yung mga gano'n, no? Sabi ko, grabe, ganun pala yung impact ng music sa buhay ng tao. Sometimes we just take it for granted na parang, we just look at it as entertainment.
Yes.
But sometimes pala, you know, when I meet people who may mga pinagdadaanan na talagang they don't find purpose in life anymore, a little moment na marinig lang nila yung music ko or boses ko, iba pala yung impact ko sa kanila. So those are the things that really give me purpose na hindi ko makakalimutan na during times na gusto ko, ayoko na, pagod na ako, hindi ko na kaya, mahirap eh. But whenever I look back and listen to all these comments and all these feedback, it gives me another push na, Jed, go, kaya mo ba? They still need you, parang gano'n.
Totoo naman, iba naman kasi ang boses ng isang Jed Madela. Iba yung music, it really heals, it's therapeutic for people, lalo na nga yung may mga pinagdadaanan. Now, going back to the video, meron ka bang anything that stood out for you na memory nung pinapanood natin? Kasi nga, talagang ang daming years na, naging scope ng buong video. So, meron ka ba parang isang, uy, alala ko yun, ay, nangyari nga pala yun.
I think it would be the clips showing me na nagme-mentor ako. Nagme-mentor ako sa mga artists, as even Inside Your Face Sounds Familiar, sa Tawag ng Tanghalan. Yun nga, as I mentioned kanina, I didn't imagine myself to be in this status. Kasi dati, iniisip ko lang, kakanta lang ako, perform lang ako, mag-entertain lang ako. But looking at the clips, parang, wow, mentor, tapos sasabihin, parang tatawagin akong coach. Every time when I walk around ABS, I'm like, oy, coach! May mga ganun ng mga artists and even online on social media, nakakataba ng puso. So, yeah, it gives me more purpose.
Ako ang nag-stand out sa akin yung sumasayaw ka, Jed.
Oh my God.
Nakita niyo ba yun?
Nakita niyo ba yun?
Sumasayaw si Jed Madela. Para saan yun?
Idea ni Direk Loren yun. Hindi, but ako kasi, I enjoy working with people and I enjoy picking their brains. There was one meeting na sabi ko, Direk, ano pa pwede kong gawin? Sabi niya, sige, nakapag-concert ka na, nakapag-tour ka na around the world, you've tried a little bit of acting, to cameo roles in music videos. Sabi niya, try mo kayo sumayaw. So, sabi ko, sige, game ako niya.
At hindi siya nagjo-joke.
Hindi siya nagjo-joke.
Seryoso pala siya.
And then ako naman kasi, I try to challenge myself na I don't want to stay in like, okay na ako dito, singer na ako, okay na ako. Hindi, it's more of, the reason why I love working with people like Direk Loren, Jonathan Manalo, and other producers, they see things na hindi ko nakikita sa sarili ko. Na minsan, sabihin ko, seryoso ka, Direk? Gusto mo akong pasayawin? And even Jonathan, I would say na, seryoso ka, itong style gusto mo pa-try sa akin. And I'm open to that. I just need somebody to push. And sige, try mo lang. Kasi minsan, kahit na ganito na ako katagal sa industriya, I still have my doubts. na kaya ko ba to, hindi ba ako magmumukhang nakakatawa. But, with people who surround me, like sina Direk, they see things na hindi ko nakikita. And pag tinatry ko, oo nga no, pwede. So, it's growing. It's a growth for us artists.
And thank you for being brave enough to try different things, and that's why you have a lot you have so much to offer for your fans na nag-aabang ng mga latest mong ganap. Meron kang art, meron kang concert, meron ka dito, meron sa abroad. So, yun yung mga pag-uusapan natin. At I'm sure marami rin mga tanong yung friends natin from the media about that. Pero, bago ko po i-open ang floor for your questions, meron tayong gagawin for the first time ever sa history ng Star Magic Spotlight Press Con. Mamaya...
Hindi naman ako sasayaw dito, di ba?
Eh, ito pala yun.
Huwag naman. Huwag naman.
Hindi, alam mo, Jud, ikaw lang ang nagpa-raffle. May pa-raffle sa Star Magic Spotlight Press Con later on. Pero sasabihin ko na ngayon because kailangan nyo munang may gawin para kayo maging kasama dun sa raffle. So, we'd like to remind everyone to please download and register the MWell app for you to win prizes later on. So that's MWell, M-W-E-L-L.
Yes.
Because may gifts
Ako nakita ko yung premyo, yung prize. Ako, ganda.
Yes.
Parang basta. Parang ma-excite sila. Maganda.
Oo. So guys, download nyo na. Mag-register na kayo sa MWell app. Okay? Pero sa ngayon, okay, while you're doing that, we'd like to open the floor for your questions now para kay Sir Jed Madela. So, let's start with our first friend from the media. Okay? So, umpisahan natin sa ating friend na, by the way, you can also keep your questions coming sa live dahil magbabasa rin ako ng questions dyan mamaya. Ako meron kayong gusto itanong. Okay, so ito muna. Ako yung magbabasa ng question ni Ruiz Philip of Certified Kapamilya. Ito na, isa mga favorite kong questions. Can you share your rituals or preparations for your July 5 concert?
Just like any concert or any performance at that, I have to be prepared. Number one, I have to know what I'm supposed to do, which is, of course, the songs. I learn the songs by heart. And now that we're doing this full concert talaga, syempre yung endurance, I try to, be more physically fit for the concert.
And you look great, by the way. I forgot to compliment you kasi kanina nung nakita pa lang kita doon, na-compliment ako. Pero ito, grabe.
I'm trying hard to, really lose weight. And aside from that, I'm not getting any younger. Ito nga, birthday na natin, di ba? Another year. But, it's something that I really focus on whenever I do performances, na to be prepared. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa mga artists na pagmuha na, Coach or Sir Jed, ano bang pwede mong ma-advise sa amin for performances like pre-performance rituals? Yun, sinasabi kong, number one, you have to be prepared.
Yes.
You have to be prepared. The reason why you get nervous, the reason why... Hello, ayan. The reason why you get nervous or the reason why you're scared and you have jitters when it comes to, going on stage is when you're not prepared. Diba? Kahit sino naman siguro, like, in hosting, you have to be prepared to know what to ask, you have to do your assignment, your homework. So, yun yung ginagawa ko. I learn my songs, not just the songs. Ako am very OC when it comes to the production. Even the lights, the sounds, the visuals for the concert, the outfits, everything. So, I oversee everything. And I think that's one thing. All in all, just be prepared and know that everything is flowing smoothly.
So, ganun ba naman prepare ang isang Jed Madela? Kasi kami, as viewers na ang tingin sa'yo ay perfect.
Wow!
Lagi naman. Parang, paano ba siya prepare? Parang kaya niya naman gawin kahit na on the spot. I mean, we live in the Philippines where, we live in a country na sobrang ang gagaling ng mga kumakanta, kahit isa lang mo sa video, ready. Pero paano mag-prepare yung isang Jed Madela?
That's one thing kasi sa atin, sa Pilipinas, ang taas ng standards natin.
Oo, sobra.
Saka hindi ka pwedeng magkamali. Kasi
Yes.
isang maliit na pagkakamali lang, it's a big thing. People wait for you to mess up. People wait for you to screw up when it comes to your performances. And hindi mo naman maiwasan yan. There are times na talagang mag-bloopers ka talaga. So, yun, I just try my best to be prepared. And if things don't happen the way I expect them to, ganun talaga. And just laugh it off. Kasi dati sobrang, affected when it comes to things that it doesn't happen according to what I expected to.
Lalo na kung naging hands-on ka.
Lalo na naging hands-on ka. After the show, I tend to, hindi ko na pinapansin yung magagandang nangyari. Diba? So which is unfair naman. So ayun, eventually, as years went on, I learned how to change my mindset. Na, you know, this small mistake does not define the entire production. So, you always look at the good of everything. Pag may nega nangyari, just brush it off. And, you know, good mindset lang.
And alam mo, minsan nga yung bloopers sa shows, yung pa yung mga nagpapaganda eh.
Yes.
As a fan, ako mas ayoko yung super pulido. Mas gusto ko yung minsan may candid moments.
And it gives it more character.
Yes.
And that's something that people will remember na, ay, tao din pala siya. Nagkakamali din pala siya. And it kind of bridges the gap also. Kasi minsan people would look up to their idols na parang, oh, grabe, untouchable, ang galing niyo on stage. And it tends to create a gap. Na parang, dito na lang kami, manonood na lang kami, makikinig. Kasi hindi naman namin ka-level. But once you mess up or you forget a line or nagka-bloopers ka on stage, it makes them realize, ay, tao din pala siya. So, ka-level tayo.
Mas pumapalpak pa nga sila
Mas pumapalpak sila. And it makes it more enjoyable. Nawawala yung stiffness and it breaks the ice. Hindi naman sa gusto kong magka-bloopers. Wag naman. But yeah, you just have to deal with whatever happens.
So, isa yun sa mga nalaman natin po sa concert, upcoming concert ni Mr. Jed Madela that's coming July 5.
July 5.
Yes, titled Superhero. But for now, meron na tayong next friend from the media who will ask the question personally. Let's all welcome Dominic Ray of PMPC and Showbizlandia PH.
Yay!
Hello, Mike.
Hello.
Mike. Good afternoon, Jed.
Good afternoon.
Ang bigat ng titulo mo bilang the world champion. Nag-umpisa ka sa, eto medyo seryosong tanong, hindi mo siguro na-expect, nagtatanong ko sa'yo. Nakuha mo to, ang titulo mo yun sa W Copa. And maraming kaibigan na nagtatanong kung are you still active with W Copa? And first question ko yun. Second question ko is, ano yung aabangan ng mga manunood sa'yo sa concert mo? O anong pinagkaiba ng concert mo na ito ngayong July 5 sa Music Museum sa mga natapos mo, sa mga nakaraan ng concert?
Alright.
Dalawang tanong lang po.
Okay. Yes, I earned that title na the world champion when I won the World Championships of Performing Arts in 2005. And ako, ang laki ng utang na loob ko sa W Copa for you know, jump-starting my career. Because 2005, I was already in the business earlier than that, pero ang dami namin, of course, nanalo nung time na yun, sina Eric, sina Christian, sina Mark, lahat, may mga title na sila lahat. And I was just there, one of the many singers. And, you know, dito sa atin kasi, once you get into the industry, you have to have something na you can call your own. Diba? Like, for example, Eric was dubbed Prince of Pop. And lahat may mga title, ako wala pa akong title noon. So when I won the W Copa, they dubbed me as the world champion. And that started everything. It opened a lot of opportunities, a lot of you know, doors and windows even, na, you know, for people to notice Jed Madela. And yung isa pang question na if I'm still part of it, I'm not part of the W Copa anymore. It's handled by another group now. But they continue to, you know, open doors and opportunities pa rin sa mga aspiring Filipino artists. And for that, I really still support all these dreams. Whatever avenue or opportunity you take is offered to you, tanggapin niyo lang. You know, it depends on you, where and when you get into that opportunity, diba? So, yeah. Pero yun nga, I'm already out of the group, yes, but I still support the aspiring Filipino artists. And yung isa mong question na what to expect, what makes it different, what this concert is all about. Normally, I do concerts every July kasi ano to eh, it's my birthday month and it's something that kumbaga, parang something that I want to do to give back and to give thanks to the people who have been supportive of me for the past year. You know? And what makes this different is every concert is an opportunity for me na magkwento kung ano mang nangyari for the past year. Yeah, so last year was Welcome to My World. I think you know that the concert opened a lot of stories about what I was going through last, you know, the year before that. So kinuwento ko lahat ng Welcome to My World. It was a new chapter in my life. And doon ko pinento lahat to those who watched Welcome to My World, naintindihan nila lahat na, kaya pala ito yung mga pinagdadaanan ni Jed, ito pala yung kanyang mga struggles
Ang dami mong pinagdaanan last year.
Ang dami, sobrang dami. But you know what, again, as I mentioned, get something negative or something bad or sad and turn it into something good. And that's when Welcome to My World, you know, came out. And now that I'm doing superhero, iba na naman. Anong nangyari kay Jed from July of last year and July this year? So yun, ikukwento ko naman dito sa concert na to.
Well, without spoiling anything, why is it called Superhero?
Una, I called it Superhero because I have a song called Superhero and an album called Superhero, and I think it's one of the most real albums for me. It really, the songs, kumbaga it spoke of who Jed Madela really is. May mga kanta doon, na I even wrote a couple songs there. But you know, the transition between CDs to social media, bigla na lang siya nawala. I mean, hindi siya na-push ng masyado. So I decided na I wanna bring back
Why not?
this album. So let's start out with the title track, which is Superhero. And then from there, we came up with you know, the concept for the concert. Na not literally superhero, Superman, Batman like that, but it's more of superhero, the people you look up to, the people who inspires you, the superhero in you, something like that. So yun ang magiging content ng concert na to.
And that's what makes it different. Thank you so much for your questions,
Thanks,
Dominic!